Hello my friends, today I'm gonna swatch for you brand new lip liners from Tom Ford. Yes, Tom Ford just released brand new lip liners and I'm so happy. I already tried with them, I already swatched them and they are amazing. Price point $46, but remember it's Tom Ford, not so cheap at Tom Ford Beauty. Yes, they are creamy, they are rich, and believe me not, when I read description they don't mention this, but I'm telling you now, they are waterproof, they stay so good, it's unbelievable, true to color, very rich pigments, very I will say creamy, rich, long-wearing, waterproof lip liners. Let's try. I forgot to mention, yes, this lip liner, it's coming with sharpener and we have a 0.12 ounce products here and they are matte finish. First color, which one I'm gonna show you, it's Irresistible brown beige, but I feel like it's like almost nude beige color. Let's try. Oh no, it's definitely not a nude, it's a beautiful brown color and I actually really like this color on me. It's give me enough color, it's not screaming, it's a soft again brown color. It feels very creamy on my lips, but I can feel how lip liner dry on my lips and I love wearing on my lip just lip liners. I feel this lip liner can be little bit feels dry on my lips. I will highly recommend to use any clear lip gloss just on the center. And again, if you like to wear just lip liner, this is how I will wear it. Beautiful lip liner on the entire my lips and clear lip gloss in the center. I know this lip combo gonna stay all day long. Color Re-see, let's try. This color, it's very soft, it's really like a nude with slightly little bit nude brown undertone and it looks like so pretty. It looks like my lips but a little bit better. And let me show you this second color. Again, it's color Re-see on my hand. Third color, it's close up and to me it's a beautiful soft pinky color. When I look on tomford.com, it's telling me it's a nude color, but I don't think this is nude color. I definitely see here beautiful pinky color. Now look at this color, it's close up, beautiful nude pinky undertone lip liner. I actually really like this color. Again, it's a third color. Look at my wrist, look at my lip. I like this color. Now let me show you this beautiful deep cool undertone brown, and this is its color. It's love attention. I don't wearing today much makeup, very subtle. Let's try this lip color and see it will look good on me or it's a little bit too much. Oh yeah, it's definitely deep color. But you know what? I kind of like it today with no makeup. It looks pretty good. And it's very hard to find a cool deep brown lip liner. Let me know if you like this color or not. Comments below. Love you more than ice cream and thank you so much for subscribing my YouTube channel to help me grow my channel, and let's continue. Oh my god, it's not easy to remove these lip liners. You need eye makeup removal because now I have a color list, and it's a beautiful brown. I will say it's more warm brown to compare which one I just tried color. Oh, I actually love this color. It's so pretty. It's have enough richness here to me. It's also, I will say, a little bit brick brown color. It's not too orange, but it's a beautiful brown color. I love this color. Guys, I really want you to see this. I have Estee Lauder eye makeup remover and Chanel cotton. Yes, it's my favorite cotton. I'm gonna put Estee Lauder eye makeup remover right here, and let's remove these lip liners. I'll be honest with you, it's very hard to remove this lip liner with Estee Lauder eye makeup remover. Probably I prefer it more Chanel. It's more easy, I don't need to press hard, but I'm serious, this lip liner stays amazing. Now I have for you color Fire. It's a very beautiful, rich, red, deep red color. This is very pretty, rich, gorgeous color. You know what? Let's try this Angelina Jolie lipstick. Yes, this is lipstick which one she's wearing in her campaign with Tom Ford. It's number 16, Scarlet Rouge. I think this is so pretty, and if you're interested to see whole entire this Runway lip collection, yes, I have a video with all 18 lip colors. I will put on my link below, but also you can just Google. Love you more than ice cream. Let's continue. Thank you again, guys, for your big support. Love you more than ice cream. Now I'm gonna show you color Private Client. It's a beautiful red, deep, I will say, wine undertone, or like it's a blue, deep blue undertone red color. I need to see this color on my lips. Ah, it's gorgeous. Yes, it's so pretty, and I will say it's not really red, it's truly beautiful wine color. Last color in this collection, it's Headline, and it is beautiful red color, but I'm so surprised Tom Ford do not create a true red colors. Holidays it's coming, Christmas, New Year's. Okay, let's try this lip color, but I think it's a red color, but it's a deep red color. And now let me show you the last color in this collection, and it's Headline. Looks like it's a true red lip color. I think this will be perfect color for Christmas, for holidays, and if you like red lip colors, that's it, you must have this. This is color Headline, beautiful, rich, red color. Again, will be lip liner, perfect for holidays. And yes, they are $46, but they stay so good. They go rich, matte, creamy, and I feel so sexy and gorgeous today. I hope you have fun with me. Subscribe, comments below, hit this bell, give me thumbs up. Again, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.